Hello guys, today I want to discuss about SSH server. What is SSH? It is a secure shell. Let me open that. This is the SSH client, which is our machine, and SSH server is that the platform that you use to create the server. Okay. Suppose this is the open network. Suppose you think that it is a open network. It is in public address, which is public IP. Just sending the s- message that hello. It encrypts by using user's public key, and with the help of a server key it decrypts again to hello. In the form in this form the information get converted to the original form. Okay. Today I'll show it in experiment way. Okay, for that we just require ubuntu. For that, go to the store and search for ubuntu, which is latest version 18.04 long term support. Just click on that. Make sure you get install this. Before installing this, you just read the description that Windows S do not support running this app, and to use this app turn Windows features on or off. Okay, and select Windows subsystem for Linux and click OK. Reboot use this app. Okay, for that we go to the control panel and go to the programs and go down Windows features on or off. You can choose Windows subsystem for Linux, get checked, and click OK. Restart and it will automatically install. Otherwise it will show some error. Launch the ubuntu. It just install in few minutes. Learning ubuntu version online, you can type that. Install. Username Prashant, password, yeah, yeah, updated. You just try, make sure that your app features get up to date. For that, type sudo apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. Make sure that your features are up to date. Make sure that your app features are up to date. I'll just type in command notepad. Okay. Step 1, open ubuntu, um, set username and password. Okay. Step 2, make sure that your features are up to date. Okay. Step 3, yeah, I just install. Okay. Okay, for that just go to the command prompt. Just type, to know your IP address, type ipconfig. I'm getting internet from this adapter, which is IPv4 192.168.0.121. Okay, open cmd. Okay, and to know your IP address, type ipconfig. Okay, step 4. Okay, for after doing that, just type SSH username, your username and your IP address. Okay, what will do? Okay, port 22 connection refused. For that, you should be in open. Okay, sudo apt-get remove purge open SSH. Okay, let me do that. What will say? It will show some error. Okay, unable to locate the packet, right? Just use server. Okay, yeah, I'm writing this step. Sudo apt-get remove purge open SSH server. Okay, you can just try up to here open SSH, otherwise you may try server. Okay, nothing to worry about that. And install it again. Sudo apt-get install open SSH server. Okay, make sure that it is installed again, because I just removed, um, it will show some error. Okay, just install that. Now we are in open. Okay, step 6. After doing that, you just restart that service. For that, sudo service ssh restart. Okay, let me do that. Sudo service ssh restart. Okay, yeah, it just restarted, right? Okay, step 6. 47 ssh username at the rate ip. Okay, you can just do that. I'm using this command. Okay, ssh username at the rate ip address. Okay, okay, the server is running, right? Okay, we just go to the Google Chrome and download the tool called winscp. You just do that. I just downloaded that. You just download this version. Okay, go to downloads, programs, and okay, just uninstall this. After installing, just open. Okay, you'll ask hostname. Hostname is the IP address, which is 192.168.0.121, and username is Prashant, and password and login. Okay, it will ask for update. Yeah, yes, yeah, I'm having these two files. Yeah, I'm having these two files. Okay, in this way you can configure the server. You just drag and drop the files that you have from Windows to the Ubuntu. You can just see the files from Ubuntu through. Okay, in this way you can just configure the server.